Hello YouTube. I have here 2006 GMC Sierra and it's 3500. It's 6.6 diesel Duramax, and I have a problem with shifting my lever when I drive. And I'll show you what I have here. So basically, when I'm trying to shift, I actually can show you right now what's happening here. So when I go to parking, when I'm coming from parking, R neutral, that works, and when I go to D, that works also. But when I try to go from D to M, which is manual, as you see, I'm moving right now this lever, it only goes to 1. Right now it should be in M, which is manual, but it skips, it goes to D. So here I took my steering column apart, and this is what I noticed. If you go down here, show this, there's an orange harness that comes from this lever over here. So it broke because of every time switching this from parking to D. So I'll show you this orange harness here. It has 4 wires inside. 2 of these wires will be these white wires. They're gonna be for tow and haul mode, and these other 2 black ones here, this is your manual. So completely 2 of these black wires were just broken, and that's why my manual wasn't working. So I'm gonna fix this. I don't want to buy a new harness. I will fix these 2 black wires and fix them good. So that's what it is here. Thanks YouTube for watching. Hope that can help you.